defending batsman?
But we have actually bowled well throughout the CCL. Monty, Mohan, Sandy, Jishuda himself, our skipper, they all have bowled well, so they have been disciplined. That's it. We do not play.
So is it a superstition if you don't party, then you might just go on to the next level?
Absolutely not. We have just took it very easily. And we did not want to party. We wanted to stay with each other for a while. We have been practicing hard this year. We had throughout these 5 years, and finally we are getting some results. Let's hope for the best again.
One last question. If you get through the finals, who would you want to play against?
Any team we are playing, we all are actors from different parts of our country. We enjoy playing against each team, staying in the same hotel for the last weekends.
One team.
Bhojpuri.
Bhojpuri. Okay, all the very best. You guys are playing super well. Let's see what happens. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Poppy. वैसे अतुल वासन जी जानना चाहते थे कि पॉपी का असल नाम क्या है. उसका पॉपी का नाम पॉपी है. Pet name हो या असल name, Poppy is really having a ball with all the stars out there.
And I think combination of his shots, you have to bowl slightly short of length to him, because don't let him get on the front foot and just slot sweep. You can only put as many players on the leg side, not more than 3 players.
And there you go, a 50 by Yusuf. Shabash. Minute Tiger, you've done your team proud. What a performance, carrying the flag forward. He's looking so solid, so confident. In fact, मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता कि ये actor है. मुझे लगता है कि professional cricketer है जिस तरीके से ये खेल रहे हैं. And of course, the owners of the teams there. Ashok Kenny साहब जो बहुत support करते हैं CCL को.
It's been given. डाउन द लेग साइड आउट दिए गए. मुझे लगता है कि रेफर किया गया है. बैट्समैन को लगा कि शायद बैट से नहीं लगा, पैड से टच होके गया. कुछ डिफ्लेक्शन था जरूर.
जब ऐसे सिचुएशंस होती हैं, हार्ट स्टार्ट्स बीटिंग फास्टर.
Nothing wrong with the no ball there, and the third umpire don't have the luxury of having that sound. Sometimes even super slow-mos are inconclusive, but I think if knowing cricket, there was the deflection. See, the angle changed, the seam of the ball changed, and on-field umpire must have heard some sound.
Kudos to the umpire. Look at this. What an angle. जब ये सब होता है अतुल जी, तो what does the batsman go through?
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि जब इतने ज्यादा आप रिप्लेस देख लें और फिर भी आप कन्विंस ना हो, तो डाउट जो होता है वो हमेशा बेनिफिट बैट्समैन को जाता है. पर जैसे कहते हैं कि तभी टेक्नोलॉजी और रेफरल सिस्टम इतना कंट्रोवर्शियल रहा है वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट में. सम टीम्स आर कन्विंस, सम टीम्स आर नॉट, एंड हॉटस्पॉट इज अ टेक्नोलॉजी व्हिच इज अनफॉर्चुनेटली नॉट हियर, व्हिच कुड हैव बीन conclusive whether the ball snicked the glove or the bat. But if there was a sound, the ball was nowhere near the pad, or it had to hit the glove.
वैसे यूसुफ का कहना है कि if he was not an actor, he would have become a cricketer. और वो कहता है मेरा एक ही ड्रीम है to become a cricketer and play for India.
As I think about 60-70 million guys in India, they've seen him as a cricketer or a film star.
And we've got best of both the worlds here. Look at Sudeep. He did not want to hear Sharma talk. आज बहुत भावुक है. And there you go. Yusuf, after a cracker of a 50, leaves us for 51. But well played and a very difficult decision. 148 for 5.